toothpaste. Oh, here we go. The Black Orchard. Don't know what that is, but I'm gonna eat.
Divine, I'm home. Where the hell are you? Divine. What the hell are you doing?
I'm leaving.
What are you wearing?
Mom's gotten on my last nerve, so I'm going out.
Going out with who? Divine. Divine, who are you going with?
With the girls.
Divine.
What? Oh, Jake, come on.